Hello friends, we are discussing chapter number 12 electricity numericals. We did question number 3 in last video and now we are going to start question number 4 from your NCERT book. Please follow your books. This is the question number 4. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameter. It means two wires have same resistance. First connected in series and then parallel. We have two wires. One wire, this is, and again this is a second wire. Both wires have the same resistance because they have the same material, equal length and equal diameter. Because you know R equal to rho L upon A. When all these three things are equal, then resistance will be equal. So this resistance, this wire, if this wire has resistance R, this will also have R. First condition, when they are joining in series, then the total resistance will be 2R. Condition 1, again they are connected in parallel. If they are connected in parallel, then the equivalent resistance will be 1 upon R parallel square. This is parallel, this is series, equal to 1 upon R. You know this very well. 1 upon R. This is 2 by R, 1 upon R parallel. So it means R parallel will be R by 2. Now we are asking that the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combinations. So what is the formula of heat? The formula of heat, H equal to VIT. And we are also given, if you read the question, across the same potential difference. Potential difference is constant. Then if we convert this I, then the formula will be, this is the formula also. If we put I equal to V upon R, then V is constant and T is also constant. So H is equal to, proportional to 1 upon R. From here we can derive formula H1 upon H2 equal to, it is inversely proportional, then it will come here H2 R2 over R1. Okay, let H1 is series combination, so put it here series, and H2 is parallel combination. This is parallel, so it will be parallel and it will be series. So formula we can apply, this is H heat in series upon heat in parallel equal to resistance in parallel upon resistance in series. So apply the values. We are going to calculate this ratio because in this question we are asking the heat produced in series and parallel combination. So we got the values of R parallel. This is the value of R parallel, and RS, this is the value of RS. Put these values. So RHS upon HP equal to, what is RP? RP is R by 2. And what is RS? RS is 2R. Cancel out. This is 1 upon 4. Then the ratio will be 1:4. Option C is correct. Okay. Now question number 5. How is a voltmeter connected in a circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? So what is voltmeter? This is the theoretical question. What is voltmeter? Voltmeter is used to measure the voltage across 2 points. Okay, and it will connected in always parallel. Okay, remember this word, always parallel. And what is ammeter? Ammeter is a instrument to measure the current, and ammeter always connected in series. This is the 1 mark question. Okay, you have to take care of this. Now you can take the screenshot Now come question number 6. This is direct formula base. Question number 6, please read out with me. A copper wire has diameter. Wire is a diameter. And resistivity. Resistivity, what is resistivity? It is rho. What will be the length? We have to find the L, length of this wire to make its resistance 10 ohm. This is R. So the given data is diameter D equal to 0.5 mm. This is in millimeter, so make it in meter. 0.5 divided by 1000, this is meter. Now this resistivity rho, it is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Many times it is all asked that what is the unit of resistivity. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. What is the length? We have to find the length, and what and the R, resistance, is given 10 ohm. All data is this. So we know that very easy, R equal to rho L upon A. This is the formula, and we have to find the length. So length will be equal to R into A upon rho. The value will be A. What is A? Because a wire is a cylindrical shape and the cross sectional area will be circle shape, and the area will be pi r square. And what is R? R will be half of this diameter. R equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is upon 1000 ko. There we can write like this and divided by 2. This is R. So area will be the R into pi r square divided by rho. You have to calculate. So answer, I think you can calculate it very easily. So take the screenshot. Now come question number 8. This is when a 12 volt, unit is volt, this is voltage, battery is connected across an unknown resistor. There is a current of 2.5 milliampere in a circuit. Find the value of resistance. V is given, I is given. We have to find the R. So V equal to IR. Before the solution of this question, we have to convert this milliampere into ampere. So this is milliampere. Question number 8. V equal to 12 volt, I equal to 2.5 milliampere. So equal to 2.5 upon 1000 ampere. We can write it 2.5 into 10 की power minus 3 ampere. And we have to find R. So we know that V equal to IR. This is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Please take care of the presentation, because if you are not you will not write the formula, then you will lose half or 1 marks for every question. So please take care of the presentation. Now we have to find V equal to IR. Just put R equal to V upon I and calculate the answer. We will get V is 12 volt and I is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. This will go upward, and 12 into 10 3 upon 2.5. 10 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. This is 24 into 1000 upon 5. 5 to 200. 4800 ohm. This is the answer. This is your answer, or we can write it into 4.8 kilo ohm answer like this. This is 24 divided 200, and this is 48 ohm, 4800 ohm, or 4.8 kilo ohm. You can take the screenshot. We are going towards the next question. Now come question number 9. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm. We have a battery of 9 volt and some resistances. We have to make the diagram. One, it is 0.2 ohm. This is second, 0.3 ohm. Now third, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm, and last one is 12 ohm. And we have a battery of 9 volt. This is the battery. We have to find how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor. What is the value of current which is flowing towards in the 12 ohm resistor? So what is the total resistance? This is the series combination. So Rs equal to this. Let this is R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5 will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. The value will be 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. It is 5 and 5, 10, 13.4. 13.4 ohm Rs. This is 13.4 ohm is the total resistance and V equal to 9 volt. So I of circuit. This is circuit. What is circuit? Circuit is the close combination of components. This is the very important question. What is circuit? What is circuit? This is the very important question. I of circuit equal to V upon R. V is 9 and R is 13.4 ohm. It is multiplied by 10. We have to calculate. This is the current. It will flow in this circuit. Do you have any other way, any other path to flow the current? No, we have only one path. The current will flow from this resistance to this resistance, to this resistance, to this resistance, then to this resistance. So the value of current will be equal in all the resistances. So the 12 ohm resistance current will be the value of this. Okay. Now it will come about 0.6867 about 67 ampere. So in all the resistances the same current will flow because they are in series. This is the basic point. In series circuit, the value of current, the current will be same, and in parallel voltage will be same. Voltage will be same. This is very important facts, and so we can calculate in this is current is same, but voltage is different. In every resistances, the value of voltage across this resistance, this resistance, this resistance, this resistance, voltage value will be different. So these are some questions. We have completed 9 questions. Now in next video we will continue from 10, and till then bye bye students, and take care of yourself. Thank you.